Hey guys, welcome back to the 30-hour review. A couple weeks back, take it back about a month ago, scrolling through my Instagram, and I stumbled upon a name that caught me so off guard I had to shoot him a message to see what he was about. And it so happened he was just a small eBay seller. His name was Penetration Nation. He makes these, or he sells these sweet little auto darkening lenses. He actually sent me 3. One of them is at work in my Miller because it's just a solid lens and I use it a lot. And now 3 lenses he sent me are a shade 9 extra low amp TIG, a shade 10 standard, and then his HD true color in a shade 10. So, things I really liked about these lenses. The prices on them are great. They're fairly priced. They're available on eBay and it is a British seller. Just throwing that out there. Things that were really cool about the lenses. The true color was really great. It didn't flicker on me when I was using it on MIG. I did some short circuit, a little bit of flex core on it, and some pulse arc. And it did really good. On the blue puddle lens of things, really great. Similar lens to Rod Shields. I'd say if anything they're probably made by the same people. Now with the blue lens, the blue puddle lens in an inside shop environment compared to the true color, this one may be hard to fit and get your fit just right when you are in a low lit environment. I work second shift, and depending on where I'm working on in my shop, I may not be able to use this lens just because I won't be able to fit. Other than that, it is an amazing lens. I use it quite a bit and I really enjoy it. Stick, MIG, TIG, solid lens. Now the true color, again, everything that lens does, this one does just as good, only with no color distortion, no haziness, and an absolute crystal clear picture. I've had a few people try this lens out and they were actually really impressed compared to their Miller helmet or their Lincoln helmet, saying that this was surprisingly clear. Let's check out some arc shots and tell me what you guys think. So if you guys are interested in picking up one of these lenses, don't forget to check out his eBay store. I'll make sure it's in the description, and I'll even link his Instagram. So go ahead and message him and tell him you guys want a sticker. Because I don't know about you, but I definitely want a Penetration Nation sticker. Hell, I went to school so I could get full penetration in every position. Anyways, leave a comment and subscribe for the next 30-hour review.